That one was stressful. Hey guys, today we decided to all hop in the car and go do the ugly location challenge slash Hobby Lobby challenge. This is everywhere at the moment, and obviously us being DIYers, we live in a craft store. We have to do this challenge. And we thought we'd take it to another level by trying to do other locations and other stores too and try and make that work as well. We decided to bring Daniella with us because not only does she like edit and do all our social media photos, then also we just like have extra hands. So it's an office field trip. So the first stop is let's go to Michael's. Is it weird that we didn't drive anywhere? We're like already at the location. Let's go. Be cool. Be inconspicuous.
We're just here to go craft shopping, although we're here all the time, so like also don't give me any shade. What are we gonna start with? Plants? Flowers. Our Instagrams are about to be so spring. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Wow. Oh my god, guys, we have so many options. And then we have just like the plants.
That's cool too.
Ugh, dead.
Ready?
Maybe. This is intimidating. I do not like posing for photos.
Daniella, can you hold this like here?
This back after. I'm gonna see all of that. Yeah.
The jungle, the mighty flower pink jungle.
It's like something big in the foreground. Gotta move on, people. We got lots of ugly background challenges to complete.
Also, while we're here, this reminds us
that we're doing a Google workshop in Toronto, which is so exciting, on March 24th, and you guys are invited.
We are going to be making some super sweet hanging wall tapestries slash decor with this beautiful yarn here that we're picking up today. We get to do all this with the help of Google Home. You guys know we love Google Home. It gives us on-the-fly measurements. It keeps us inspired with what the new trends are. And obviously it gets us going with jams because we use it as a speaker.
You guys will get to play with all of those things in the Google Home and more when you hang out with us. For our sponsors, as a perk, the link to registration is already open in the community tab, but for the rest of you,
you can sign up tomorrow. The link will be live for everybody. And it is in Toronto, but if you guys aren't from Toronto, don't worry, let us know what city you would like us to come to next, and we're gonna work on making it happen.
And there's limited spots, so if you guys are interested and you're in Toronto, make sure you do that ASAP.
All right, carry on.
On to the next place.
Alright, I think that was a success. I would say major success, but we knew Michael's would be the easiest. Let's go to the home decor store. Feeling some pillows, feeling some giant rugs.
Ooh, like linens or something. Like hanging in front of your face, like, oh. I'm just here in this like cotton wonderland. Okay.
When the home decor store is 2 seconds away from the craft store, makes your life easy.
This is our life.
We're here!
We are at home decor store. I keep saying, like, you're calling it Home Sense? I don't know.
It's Home Sense, guys.
It's Home Sense. We're trying to be all like discreet.
The craft store was Michael's, okay guys? We don't have Hobby Lobby here.
We should have gone to IKEA. But that's like not even a challenge because like, girl, IKEA's cute.
Alright, here we go.
Let's go to the rugs first.
Flower aisle though.
I know, but we can't.
We can't. I don't know, like it's cute, but it's not like overly photography goals. I think it needs some foreground stuff like we had at Michael's. This could maybe work if you held it like...
Just ignore these?
Ignore them, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
It's so out of focus, it might just be like a blur of like teal, which would be nice.
What 5-year-old made this and then gave us a Home Sense to sell?
I think it'll work, like it just looks like color. Right, so let's take these things and go back to the rugs. This is interesting texture.
It feels so sneaky. I don't know if this is okay, but...
Guys, there's an employee.
This is so hard.
Okay, we got some good ones.
Okay, that one was stressful. Also, that was like, I was like trying to hold the carpet back with my foot and then like hold this. It was just like, I don't know. Hopefully we got the shot.
I took a massive photos all at once. I'm like, I don't know about framing. I don't know. One of these is gonna be good because we gotta get out of here.
Also, I feel very awkward about posing for photos. Like that's a huge thing. And to do it like on the fly
trying not to get caught. Like,
serve me Lux. 1, 2, 3.
anxiety levels like high. Okay, a hardware store I'm excited for because I feel like there's a lot we can do there.
And people don't care.
They don't give up. Insert word here.
Home Depot.
Home Depot. Let's go. I want to do a little wardrobe change here. Maybe mix up the hair, makeup. Where's our hair and makeup team for this photo shoot? Also, can't believe Brandy Melville is selling this shirt now.
They saw our video and had to cop it.
Let's go.
Yeah. You have to take your permission to take anything.
I swear every noise is like, what? I feel like we need like one like right behind me maybe.
I think the closer we are, the better, because then everything's more out of focus, right?
How are we not getting caught right now? As long as we don't get kicked out for life, that's my only fear, because like...
They're not going to print your picture and stick it on the wall and say, do not let these people in your store.
My face is stupid, but it's cool.
We got it.
Alright, well, sassy lighting guy was like, no photos in here. You have to speak to the manager.
I mean, that was to be expected, but I thought that out of all these places that Home Depot was gonna be the coolest. Come on.
So now we're going to a different hardware store to check out their lighting, and hopefully they don't say anything. It's our last shot we have to get, and then we're done. And it's probably gonna be the coolest one if we can pull it off.
Maybe.
So,
okay, let's go. Freaking maternity spots.
freaking pregnant mothers. Come on, ladies.
Just kidding, respect.
It's a sign. Right,
Literally.
it's literally it's a sign.
Can we get this in the loft?
Yeah.
We're gonna redo the loft. Can we get this? Can we get this? Mom. You know, casual $400. Guys, this is so sketchy. Do not try this at home. Like, do not try this in stores. We're those YouTubers now that are like, we're gonna eat the Tide Pod, but you shouldn't eat the Tide Pod. Actually, you know what our slogan is? Do it for the DIY. We follow all the rules, but nowhere does it say no climbing, so we're gonna climb it. Okay, hold on. No. I guess we just stand on something. I don't want to like stand on top of it. I don't want to stand on this though. I'll just be here.
I got marked aisle 25 for customer assistance. Marked aisle 25 for customer assistance.
Are we in aisle 25?
Aisle 25 is down there.
Family dial 3311, please. Attendant 3311.
I feel like in front of this though.
Wait, that was kind of cute. Guys, someone's coming, someone's coming, someone's coming, someone's coming. He's gone, he's gone.
There's been so good.
Oof. Just do it, you just gotta commit.
I can't commit.
Just do it.
I'm not committing.
Just do the flip. You're okay. It's really not that high. Okay, to the office.
I quit. Okay, so we're back in the office now, and that was like way too stressful. We're gonna give Daniella the photos, and she's gonna work her magic, and then we can check in later and see what it looks like. So
I think a lot of these turned out good. I don't know. Good luck. Thanks, guys.
okay, we'll see you in a bit.
Are you done?
I am.
Okay.
I'm excited.
I'm so excited to see these.
Michael's.
This one I feel the best about.
Healthy.
Okay.
This is what we did.
You're so
Classic.
awkward, turtle.
This was the unedited photo.
Oh, still pretty good.
And this was the edited photo.
Ooh,
Girl.
damn. Instagram though, watch out.
Michael's Becky. This is what our setup.
Oh my god. I don't even have a face.
This was the unedited version.
Cute.
And that was the edited
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Those
Glasses,
peach
though.
tones.
I know, I boosted those like crazy.
Now we get to the
This was HomeSense in front of the rug. So that's what.
look at that foot.
I had to like hold the carpet back because it was like coming too close to me and we needed the depths. Look, I have like my purse on me and everything. I was like ready to go because I was so afraid they were gonna like call me out.
This is the unedited version.
Okay.
And this is the edited version.
Oh my god, those blues.
Okay, this one is like interesting because we just like, the carpet's just like hanging out.
Yeah.
I like it though, like all the blues and the whites, they look really good
Like
together.
the point is, like, where would you think that's taken?
Not a
store.
home goods store.
Then we have Becky's Home Sense.
Oh yeah. These ones were a bit iffy.
This one was
Oh yeah,
fun.
this one is also like right near the cash register, and I was like, good lord.
Here was our setup.
Okay.
Just draping that.
Very
Casual.
terrifying. Here was the unedited version.
Okay.
And then our edited version.
Ooh, that, did you add little bokehs?
Oh my god.
So sneaky.
Okay, that's actually really
It
good.
gives me like Ariana Grande vibes.
Oh yeah.
Now time for the hardware store. Should we start with Kelsey's? This was our setup.
Which is like so odd.
I wish you could like see people in the background, like, what are they doing?
Here was the unedited version.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
Looks good.
Okay. And this was the edited version.
Damn.
So I think like coppery goddess.
Yeah, it matches your skin really well. It looks like you're in some crazy like art installation.
Our Becky hardware store photos. I have two photos. This one was the one when Kelsey wasn't on the ground.
You're not fully committed here. This is
one.
full commitment. Oh my god, we both are like covered in lights.
Oh, here was the unedited version.
Whoa.
Which is not bad for unedited.
Seriously. And that
Oh
was the
my
edit.
gosh.
So I added like a couple other like fake lights.
I mean, this looks like you have a blown out window behind you, but the things we did for that shot.
I think good job, team. That's not bad.
I know, what do you guys think? And you like should seriously go over to the blog to see like
All the
some
other
more
photos.
photos. I feel like we got a lot. We had some options. Or our Instagrams, we'll definitely have them. The Sorry Girls Instagram, Kelsey Marilla's Instagram, Becky Lynn Instagram. And if you guys like this video, make sure that you give it a like.
And if you love it, make sure you sub it.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.